For quite a while, I've been eyeballing one of those fancy retractable hose reels for my garden. Up until now, I've been using a hose that I just have to wind up and keep in a plastic hose pot. So when Ayura reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in testing out their 100-foot retractable hose reel, I said, yes, please, say less. But we had to do a little bit of prep before I could actually use it. My garden is surrounded by a stucco wall that we didn't really want to drill into, so my amazing husband came up with a freestanding solution. First, we cut a 4x6 hardwood post to about 4 feet in length. Then we pre-drilled it for the anchoring bolts. Once the bracket was securely attached to the post, we dug a hole near the hose bib and in a central location that would make it easy to reach every part of my garden. We then concreted the post into the ground to ensure stability. The hose reel weighs approximately 28 pounds, so we wanted to make sure the post was able to withstand the weight and use over time. After tamping down the ground around the post, we simply attached the reel to the bracket with the mounting pin. We then added the hose extension to our hose bib and the quick release hose nozzle. The nozzle has 8 spray patterns, which come in really handy for the different plants I have in my garden. I love that the hose is 100 feet in length and the ease of being able to pull and retract it as much or as little as I need. With a simple short pull, the hose retracts back into the reel, keeping it from getting kinked up and twisted. The reel is constructed of a dual UV-resistant plastic shell and metal shaft, and having the hose protected from our harsh weather here in the desert is a huge plus in my book. Thank you to Ayura for letting me try out this great product. I highly recommend checking it out if you're looking for a well-built and easy-to-use retractable hose reel you can mount in your garden or backyard. I plan to do a 6-month follow-up to see how things are holding up, so stay tuned. I hope this overview was helpful. Thanks for watching.